everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and look at this little cutie patootie. 14 by 52. And another milestone for the Mobile Home Mama. By the way, my name is also Christina. I had a customer come in my office and they're like, we don't really know what to call you. We just know you're the Mobile Home Mama. And what is your name? And it is Christina. All right, my milestone. This is my first shipment to Tennessee. It's been a little while since I got licensed to sell to Tennessee, but this is my first baby going, and it is cute. 14 by 52, we call this home the Rohrman. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and the only home, I want to say, that has this U-shaped kitchen. Cute. This is going to my very dear friend Paula. And when we started, I was not licensed in Tennessee. And she gave me a call, found me on YouTube, and I thought, you know what? Why not? So Tennessee has a very, very strict manufactured home division. So if you're gonna sell homes in Tennessee, you have to take the same kind of testing that the installers take so that you know the codes and stuff. So this was quite an accomplishment for Miss Paula and for me and for Champion. So now we are all dialed in, ready to ship Tennessee homes to whoever would like to have one. This is just the cutest little, I want to call these homes tiny homes, but if I did, somebody would say something, because I think technically a tiny home has to be, you know, so little of square feet. So this is a 14 by 52. It would still be considered a HUD single wide, but it is just the cutest. She kept this pretty basic. She just wanted a place for herself to be able to get away and shut out the noise of the world. So this is what we discovered that would be the perfect floor plan for her. Coming back into the utility area, we did a stackable, and then we also added an electrical outlet here. You guys can do that. You get to decide. Maybe you want one there. Maybe you want one over here. Maybe you want to enlarge your windows like Paula did. You can choose that. Added a 9 light to the back door. Here's the primary bed. By the way, these new ceiling fans for this year. Ooh, mama. Here's the switch. You can turn it on and off from the switch. Low, medium, high. And yeah, no more of those god-awful strings hanging down from your ceiling fans. Now, when we ship a ceiling fan, it's going to be installed like that, and then we're going to ship the blades separately, and either your installer puts them in or you put them in. For our show homes, I put them in here, so it's easily done. White on one side, and when you flip it over, it's black on the other, so you can change your mind if you're one of those people who likes to rearrange your furniture. That's a great thing. So maybe you want to change your color palette too. All right, water heater back in the closet. One more view of here. And lots of you are contacting me and coming to see me, and I tell you, I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, here's the primary bath, one of my favorite primary baths. We did add a pantry here in 015, that was an add-on, and she loves my idea that you should have some natural light coming into your bathroom, and then we went with a standard tub shower combination. And for a little single wide like this is a really spacious bathroom. The 14 wides, it gets a little tough trying to get some width in the bathroom, but this floor plan really does the job. Hello, hi, added a medicine cabinet right there. Good to see ya. And then we've also got a laminate backsplash. Let's talk about some colors. Aluma marble on the countertop. White wrapped on the cabinets. Also had a customer in here just the other day. We were talking about the differences between the cabinets. And let me tell you, don't count those wrapped cabinets out. It's not like they're flimsy or anything. It's just the alternative if you want to save some money. They're still nice cabinets. An electrical outlet on the end of the cabinet, that's great there. Added a dishwasher, microwave over the range. And over here's your bank of drawers. This just turned out cute, right? Simple, affordable, and cute. I'm Christina, most of the Mobile Home Mama. We're gonna have an open house September the 19th. So please come visit. I'll I'll put you in a really nice hotel. We're gonna have some special deals that day. Some special people will be here also, opening up the factory for factory tours. And then of course, I'll have all the new show homes here and locked and loaded, ready for you guys to view. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you real soon.